Hey, what's going on, you guys? I'm Andrew, and welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Harman JBL Pulse 3 Bluetooth speaker. So, as you guys can tell, this is JBL's newest speaker in their Pulse lineup. It doesn't even look like doesn't look the same because the Pulse 2 and the Pulse 1, they kind of looked similar, but at the same time they didn't. But I mean, there's a big difference here, not only in size and sound, but in just appearance. I would say this looks way more appealing because of the glass here. It allows the LEDs to shine more true, so you can see the full potential of them and how they cover this entire thing instead of just seeing the lines, because when you have this lit up, you can see each individual line where they're at. And this one, the way this, I don't know if this is glass or not, but it allows the LEDs to shine more. And I also love the gloss that they decided to put here on top of the radiators. It looks much nicer. And I like this fabric that they use here. I honestly prefer that a lot more. And I know they did that for waterproof, but it looks a lot nicer than the metal that they have here. Alright, so comparisons out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and get into some of the details. This Pulse 3 has IPX7 waterproof, which means it can be submerged up to 3 feet in water for roughly 30 minutes. Though I've seen people put this through a lot more torture than that. I guess you can call it torture, I don't really know. This can handle a lot more. It does weigh roughly around 2 pounds, which is kind of heavy. And as I said, this thing is also bigger than the Pulse 2, so it's starting to get a little bit less portable. Even though it's still really portable. They claim it has about 12 hours of battery life, but I haven't seen or heard anybody get that much out of here, at least yet. And it takes a really long time to charge. I think it's like 4.5 hours or something like that to charge from dead to full. That's a really long time. Let's see here. Other than the appearance, it looks phenomenal. It looks way more presentable than the other two speakers that they've came out with. It sounds amazing, has the 360 degree sound. I believe it has 3 speakers, and one in the front, one here, and one here. Also has 2 drivers, top and bottom, or not drivers, radiators, top and bottom. And it also has the full 360 degree LEDs, which looks really good, and it's enough to light up like a medium-sized room at night. It's really bright. And before I move on, I should mention that this does have Siri and Cortana. So I don't really know what Android phones use. I use an Apple, but you can hit this button right here. You can't see that. You can program it to switch between music or to access Siri or something like that. And it also has the Connect Plus on here, so you can connect up to about 100 speakers or more. The one unfortunate thing is, and I thought I could do this, is with both of my Pulse 2 and Pulse 3, I thought I could connect them together. I won't be able to do that because this one's regular Connect, this has to Connect Plus. So unfortunately, if you're planning on connecting these two, you can't. Alrighty guys, without further ado, let's see how it sounds.
You gotta see things, see new places and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things, maybe to forget
All I do is adore you all the time. I like to I like to
So I know the camera does not do the audio justice, but I will say that this speaker does sound amazing. I did forget to mention that the speaker does cost about $200 as of right now. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.